silêncio que cantam sutil esplendor. Luz na madrugada, luz na madrugada,
So apparently the flood is not real if you don't know. But this guy called EBO Noah said that on Xmas Day, Deck 25, there would be a world ending flood, but it's now Deck 28 and nothing happened. I was so scared for a moment. Then he scammed millions of people into donating. Then on Deck 25th, he posted another bid saying God delayed it because there's not enough arcs. Like, bro, is it gonna flood or not? Make your mind up anyways. Here's a shout out.